Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do story time where I'm going to let you guys know how I became natural. Before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when my next video posts. First, I want to say I never thought that I would go natural. I was okay with my relaxers. I love my relaxers actually. I would wrap my hair at night, comb it down in the morning, and be on my way. And I knew with becoming natural, I would actually have to do my hair. And I do not know how to do hair whatsoever. So it's crazy that I've came this far with being natural. I've been natural for 2 years now. Okay, so let's start at the beginning. Ladies, you know how we go through this phase where we want to do something different with our hair, right? And what phase do we most likely do? Go blonde. Yeah, so I ended up going to this girl I know. She's done my hair a couple of times before, and I got my hair blonde. So when I left, I was happy and I rocked my new blonde hair, and about maybe a month or two later, it was getting to the point where I felt like I needed a relaxer. And I was invited to my friend's party, so I wanted to make sure my hair was looking good. So I ended up going to my original hairdresser who had been doing my hair for 14 years. And of course, when I came into the shop, she was looking at me like, what in the world? Like, how did you go blonde? Like, what happened? And then I told her, you know, I feel like I need a relaxer because I'm not trying to go to this party looking crazy. And so I ended up getting a relaxer, even though she was probably like, you shouldn't do this. So I ended up go ahead and getting the relaxer, and I was just so happy after getting it. My hair was straight, my color toned down, and I was ready to go party. Then I would say about maybe 2 to 3 weeks later, I'm unwrapping my hair, combing my hair, and my hair is just shedding. It's shedding like really bad, and I'm like, what is going on? And I just didn't know what was happening to my hair. And so, you know, I kept combing it, and day after day I kept combing it, and it would just shed more and more and more. It shed so bad in the back of my hair to the point that it was just new growth back there. Like all of the blonde had fell out. And so I had to start wearing my hair like slicked back in a ponytail to hide just the back, because the front part was fine. It was just the back of my hair. All my hair had fell out, and it was just only new growth. So I would slick my hair back in a little ponytail and wear it like that, because I was like self-conscious of how I look. At this point, I was just basically like, okay, I'm gonna have to do something major, because there's no way I can walk around with my hair long in the front and in the back is nothing there, like nothing there. It was so embarrassing. So I ended up going to my hairdresser, and she said, you know, I can give you a little cute cut where we still leave the top on, but you know, the sides will be low, and we can relax the sides. And then I was just like, I don't know. Like I told you guys before, I do not like doing my hair. I don't know how to do my hair. So I know with that shortcut, I would have to be able to do some curls or something, and I ain't got time for that. I'm used to wrapping my hair and combing it down in the morning and being done. That's it. So I was just like, you know what? Let me just go natural. Let me cut it off. I'm gonna do a big chop, and that's what I did. ended up doing a huge job. In the beginning of my big chop, I had to get used to it. It was so hard. It was like really hard on my confidence. Honestly, like with the big chop, it was like I felt free. I could get up in the morning. I wouldn't have to do much with my hair. And then once it started growing out more, I could do the little wash and goes, which were easy and have the little curls. And then once my hair got to the length of, you know, that I can get braids, oh, I was so happy then. My confidence came back. I was like ecstatic. Then my hair grew out to the point where I could do my twist outs. So I was on YouTube learning how to do different twist outs, what products to use, and I started doing my own twist outs. Make sure you watch my previous video here so you guys can see my go-to twist out routine. So yeah, now I'm 2 years in being natural. It's still so much that I have to learn about and different things to do with my hair, but I'm loving it so far. And I'm pretty sure if I can do it, you guys can do it too. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and make sure you hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I post another video.